Hello po sa lahat ng mga kababayan. May mga honors na po kami available here. From starting X90 5G, 6128 and 256 GB. Honor 400 Lite, 256 GB. And X9C 5G, 256 GB. And the new latest of Honor X90 5G, 256 GB. Two available colors here. This brown and this black. And also, you will get this free from this X90 5G and X90 5G. And also, all this one, you will get this free. And for more details, just visit any Gilirich stores and contact us.